Buying groceries with your Affirm account is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy groceries using your Affirm account. So for that, we are here at the Walmart's website. And suppose I want to buy some groceries after selecting all of the groceries of the all of the things you want to buy. Suppose I'm just going to add this cap, for example. And what it will do is it will add this into my cart. And you just have to go to your cart, and in your cart you guys will be able to see this option. And in this page you just have to click on continue to checkout, and you just have to add your login information for Walmart first. But I have not created an account. You guys probably know what a checkout page looks like. In the checkout option, you just have to add the Affirm's virtual card. How to get Affirm's virtual card? You just have to go to the Affirm's app, apply for your virtual card. You just have to select the amount as well. After that, you will see your virtual card, something like that. You just have to put in the card information, your expiry date, and your CVV. It will pay for your groceries using your Affirm's virtual card, which means you are actually paying using Affirm for the groceries. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.